The Taunton area is where you will find Profit Windows, who have earned a reputation for being competitive on pricing without compromising the finished product since 1994. They supply and install windows and conservatories, doors and blind systems to both private and commercial clients. Conservatories or quality windows and doors can add value to your home and also cut down on fuel costs. Conservatories also provide a cost-effective way to add space to your home. To underline the quality of their service, all windows are supplied with high-security locks, all products carry a 10-year warranty, doors are supplied with hook and deadbolt locking, and all products are internally glazed. Profit Windows also provide patio door systems in elegant styles, secondary glazing units, which cut down noise pollution and improve thermal insulation and increase security. Architectural moulding is also available in numerous designs and colours. Profit Windows, the simple solution to a difficult choice. Call them today.